Hey there, Seahorse here. Today we're going to talk about finishing the installation of the final ring of panels at the base of the dome. So far, all of the beams and hubs were installed as well as most of the panels. However, there were a total of 16 remaining panels to be installed this season. Once these panels are affixed and sealed, the dome becomes a solid lockable structure, which also serves as the pool enclosure. The ability to lock the Indome Pool is a very important safety feature to prevent unintended pool use and prevent accidents, which is especially important when one has small children at home. I will show you the progression of what I'm calling the last panel push, which completes the structural build of the dome and also serves to weatherproof the dome from the top all the way down to the air gap under the lowest beam. The air gap is still bug-proofed with screening for now, and will remain that way until a satisfactory solution is built to allow for washing out the interior concrete decks around, while still disallowing pests to enter the structure. The final panel push was a significant step in the overall build, as it allowed us to remove the temporary security fence which was in place to maintain a safe environment for our children in the yard. With the dome itself now serving as the locking mechanism preventing small children or animals from wandering near the pool, the less than attractive temporary security fence became superfluous. Taking it down created a dramatic optical difference, and while there are still many finishing touches to be completed to make the dome truly beautiful and properly finished, this was an extremely important aspect to be completed. As always, there's a funny little song to accompany the rest of the video. Come on, let's go see what the mostly done dome looks like now.
Taken 2 years so far, building next to our home cost more than a new car. Lucky I'm not divorced after this crazy build. He told me no, of course, build it against his will. But it's almost complete. I know I can do it, the goal I'm gonna meet. It just takes sweat and grit. Will it be finished soon? Everyone wants to know. Or will it be my with nothing to show? I know I'll get it done, just a little more work. Now I'm under the gun and I seem like a jerk, but it's almost complete. I know I can do it, the goal I'm gonna meet. It just takes sweat and grit. Will it be finished soon? Everyone wants to know.
If you enjoyed watching this video, a like and subscribe go a long way to helping out a small channel like mine. Thanks for watching.